Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Wasim Magre. Today we will be learning how to insert a node at the end of the list. First of all, I will proceed with the graphical representation of the things, then I will proceed by writing a program for the same. So we will create a node like this, which will be having two fields, the data field and a link to the next node. So we'll be creating a node like this. Assume the address of that very node to be 400. Our goal is simple here. We are supposed to put 400 here and we are supposed to put null here. Let me proceed by writing a function for the same. Let's name our function insert at beginning. So we'll be passing an element. Let's name it e. So we'll create a temporary pointer temp. Then we will be allocating memory for that very temporary variable, spectrum node star. We are done. We have allocated the memory. We have actually created a memory block consisting of two parts, data part and the link to the next node. So we'll be assigning the data. Temp of data is equal to e and temp of next is equal to null. What we have done here, I will show you graphically. Assume that the data passed by the user to be let's say 4, and we have set the next field to the null. Now our job is to put 400. Since ptr is pointing to 300, we will use ptr of next. ptr of next. ptr जिसको पॉइंट कर रहा है, ptr जिसको पॉइंट कर रहा है उसके नेक्स्ट में डालो नए नोड का एड्रेस. सिंपल. So what we have done, we have actually erased the contents of that very node. We have altered them. We have put 400 in it. 400. Since our goal is to make a ptr to point to the last node, we have to reset the ptr by writing an instruction like this: ptr is equal to temp. Temp is the newly created node. So we are altering the contents of the ptr. We are now making the ptr to point to 400. And we are supposed to delete this and we are supposed to put a link, something like that. So we are done, but we need to modify the main program as well. So for that we'll go to our main program and we will say here enter enter 3 to insert at back. Okay, so we'll be having case 3. We'll be giving message to the user, enter data. So put /n here. Ampersand, let's name it d. I will be passing it to insert at insert, what was the name of the function? Insert at back. Insert at back, are passing d. Okay, I will be giving a message after that. Inserted successfully. Okay, now we are supposed to actually declare the variable d. and we are supposed to put a break at the end of our case. Let me put it. Then we are going to set the prototype for our function. The name of our function, insert at bag. It is receiving parameter of type integer. Let me save it, execute it. Okay, data 1, 2, 3. We'll display the data first. So there are 3 items in the list. So we're supposed to insert, enter 3 to insert, and let the data be 4, and we're supposed to display. The program is running smoothly. So we can test it again. Enter 3 to insert, let the data be 5 this time, and we're supposed to display. Oh, it's working. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.